Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to find the owner of a mystery phone number. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. If you've ever received a call or text from an unknown number and wanted to know who it belongs to, there are a few simple ways to investigate it safely. The first thing you should do is copy or write down the phone number exactly as it appears. Make sure you include the full number, including the country or area code if shown. Next, open your browser and search the number directly in a search engine. Sometimes businesses, public listings, or forum posts are already indexed online, which can instantly tell you whether the number belongs to a company, scam caller, or real person. If nothing useful appears, go to a reverse phone lookup website. Platforms like White Pages, Truecaller, or similar services let you paste in a phone number and check whether it has an associated name, business, or spam report. Another useful option is checking messaging apps. Paste the number into apps like WhatsApp or Telegram to see whether a public profile photo or display name appears. Just don't message random numbers unless you actually want contact. You can also save the number temporarily to your contacts and check whether platforms like Snapchat or other synced apps suggest a profile linked to it. If the number appears suspicious, look for spam reports or fraud warnings. Many scam numbers are already flagged by other users. Finally, if the caller is repeatedly bothering you or seems unsafe, block the number and report it through your phone settings or carrier. That's basically it. With a quick search, reverse lookup tools, and a few app checks, you can often identify unknown callers in just a few minutes. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.